Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you installing weather widget does not fix the error of your widget app. So let's get started. So if you are installing a weather widget on your phone, if it shows the error, then to fix that you have to follow this easy step. So as you can see, here is my weather widget. So I will add one also. See you here you can just click on widget, then here you can search for the weather. Okay, so here we can see weather, or you can just add from here as well, okay, if you want to. So if I add from here, just select one. So if I click on here, just click paste on here. So as you can see, this is the weather widget. So if it does not shows, you can open your location option and do other things. Like as you can see, my location is off. You can give the permission and it will work. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.